T yw, you are the... Tyd y camera.
Best of Wales, dro Gymru I gyd.
Wel, ar y llwyfan yma, llwyfan y canlyniadau, mae yna ser di-ri wastad. Ond llynedd, os gofiwch chi, yna un seren oedd yn disgleirio yn fwy na phawb arall. Sef hon fama, Ruby. Sut wyt ti, Ruby?
Well, I've been asked this question many times and I've added a super every time. So dwi'n ardderchog a super gyffrous.
Wel, dwi'n super cyffroes I dy weld di. Ti dal yn dysgu Cymraeg?
Well, as much as I've been doing lots of Duolingo, I've, of course, learnt a lot of Welsh from last year that I wouldn't have already known. So, like, llongyfarchiadau. But on that note, I would like to say a big llongyfarchiadau to all the people who have got to the finals in the Eisteddfod this year. And not just to those people, but to people who have just participated, because it's a huge achievement.
Ah, da iawn. Well said, Ruby. Right, we've got to talk about your overnight success, your fame from last year.
Yes.
Are you coping with fame?
Yes, we were actually the last to know I went viral because we were just chilling in our pyjamas and we kept on getting phone calls and everything, and then we found out we went viral. But it's just been awesome, and that's led to so much good experiences, or brilliant experiences, like meeting the prince. And, well, my mum had obviously explained to me that you're not supposed to touch royalty or have your back to royalty, but I wanted to be a bit cheeky and I asked him for a little hug, and I got one, and I can confirm everyone that the Prince of Wales can give the best Welsh cut.
Wow, wow, that's quite a statement.
Yeah.
Be ti'n neud heddiw? What are you going to be doing today?
Well, I've already had a few interviews, and including this one, and I think I've got one more after this, and also I think, I'm not sure, just whatever comes.
Ydy pobl yn dod at ti a gofyn am selfies o hyd?
Yes, I've had a few selfies so far.
Ti'n mwynhau hwnna? You enjoy that?
Oh yes, definitely. Loving the attention.
Mae rai fi ddweud, Ruby, mae o'n hyfryd I weld ti. It's really nice to see you, achos ti yw, you are the... Tyd y camera.
Best of Wales, dro Gymru I gyd.
Diolch, Ruby, ffantastig. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Thank you.
Diolch.